In a big win for the Tamil Nadu government, the Supreme Court on April 8 ruled that the Tamil Nadu governor's action to reserve 10 bills for the president was illegal and erroneous, and thus the action was set aside. The court ruled that the governor cannot reserve bills for the president after withholding assent. In its ruling, the apex court clarified that once the governor withholds assent, he is required to follow the procedure outlined in the first proviso, which mandates action as soon as possible. The court also set prescribed timelines regarding the issue of bills. The timeline is a maximum of 1 month for withholding assent and reserving the bills for the president, with the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers. If the assent is withheld without the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers, the bill must be returned within 3 months. Finally, in the case of a bill presented after reconsideration by the State Assembly, the governor must assent to the bill within 1 month. The Supreme Court emphasized that the failure to adhere to these timelines will invite judicial scrutiny. A bench comprising Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice R. Mahadevan stated that these bills shall be deemed to have been cleared from the date they were represented to the governor. However, the court emphasized that it is in no way undermining the governor's power. All actions of the governor must align with the principle of parliamentary democracy. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin described the verdict as historic. The verdict followed a plea filed by the Tamil Nadu government against Governor Dr. R.N. Ravi for withholding assent on several bills passed by the state legislature and for constituting search and selection committees for the appointment of vice chancellors at 3 universities.
In court, historic verdict, thanks to our Chief Minister who chose his battle and came victorious in this. We all knew that what the governor is doing is against the constitution. He is acting under the instructions from the BJP and the RSS. Now the Supreme Court has put the record straight. This is unprecedented and first time in the history the Supreme Court has used its extraordinary powers and passed the bills. It said it's deemed to be passed. It is a stinging slap for the governor. If he is a decent man, he would resign. He would resign and leave the state of Tamil Nadu. But we'll have to wait and see whether he will uphold the constitutional principles, the morality that is expected out of him. We have been saying this. The BJP is, in all the opposition ruled states, the BJP is using the office of the governor to poke, to undermine the state governments, especially the opposition ruled states. And here we have seen the governor has not acted upon 10 bills. We wanted to take control of the universities. We wanted to make the chief minister the chancellor. He said, no, this is UGC, that is UGC, you go to the president, I am doing this, he is doing that. The Supreme Court said nothing doing. I am passing all those bills. It's a wonderful verdict. It's a vindication of the state's rights. See, our constitution is a federal structure, based on the federal structure. And the BJP has been trying to make every state a glorified municipality. They don't want to give the rights. They wanted to usurp the rights of the state governments. And our Chief Minister, Mr. M.K. Stalin, taught a lesson to the BJP. He made them eat a humble pie. They will not be able to use. This is a historic verdict in the sense that this will be applicable to the entire country. The governors cannot sit on a bill for more than a month. And if it has to be referred, he is withholding assent, he cannot do it more than for 3 months. And this is the first time this has happened. And DMK has always been a trendsetter. We fought for the OBC's reservation in 27%, got 27% OBC reservation for the All India quota medical seats. It was made applicable to all over the country. Now this verdict, this is going to be made applicable all over the country. The governors cannot play truant. The governors should remain true to the Constitution of India. We are waiting for the response from the BJP and the RSS. All the minions who were supporting the governor of Tamil Nadu, where are you? Come, please give your opinion. Who were speaking that the governor has this right, governor has that right. Where are you? We are asking you, where are you? Where are you people? Come on now, come and speak about the verdict of the Supreme Court. This is a glorious victory, unprecedented victory. It vindicates the stand taken by our leader, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin.